at this. Absolutely amazing. Oh, the hardest rain, I had absolutely no idea. Oh my God, look at it. Born free as the wind blows. Oh, I love it.
Wow.
Oh, I love it. It's getting the gas smell out for you. Pat is getting the gas smell out for you. Oh my God, she's drenched. Look at her.
My car is all wet.
Ew, man, you're a pig. You didn't even say, ew, stop burping in my ear. That's disgusting. Oh. No, you brought the one in, remember? The maroon one you brought in. Babe is cracking up. Why are you laughing?
Because Pat lost her umbrellas. The grill is steaming.
It's still on, that's why. Pat, the grill is still on.
Yeah.
When I took the chicken off, I asked you, what do I turn? And you said, just close the lid.
Oh, God.
Go do it, Ricky. Ooh, excuse me, I'm burping too. Oh my God, look at the Golden Girls veranda out here. I feel like I'm in Florida.
It is like Florida. Yeah.
Oh my God, I love it. The sky is clear, but there's a dark cloud right above us. Babe, remember that really white cloud at your house? It was like silver. I love it. Absolutely love it.